Do you know that you have a superhero power?
I do? What's my superhero power?
We all have one superhero power in common, and that's our words. Everyone say words.
Word!
Words are like a tube of toothpaste. If used correctly, it cleans our teeth and makes our mouth healthy. Words are the same way. If we use our words to cheer someone up, to say nice or encouraging things to each other, our words can bring joy and happiness to another person.
You're doing a great job. I believe in you. You're awesome. You're the best. I knew you can do it. I'm so proud of you.
Sometimes we get a little sloppy with our toothpaste. It can leak all over the cap and start making a big mess. It's the same thing with our words. Sometimes when we aren't careful with our words, maybe with a slip of a tongue, you say something mean or not nice to a classmate, it makes a big mess.
You look funny. You smell. You're dumb. Don't be friends with them. I'm going to hit you. I don't like you.
Even when you backtalk your parents. When you're sloppy with your words, you make little messes. You end up hurting someone's feelings or getting in trouble. Now, if you squeeze really hard on the tube of toothpaste, all the toothpaste comes squirting out.
Ew!
What a huge mess. The same thing with our words. When you speak something mean and disrespect someone else, it hurts someone's feelings. What a big mess it makes. Have you ever tried shoving toothpaste back into the tube after it has been squirted out? You can't, can you? You can't take it back, just like you can't put toothpaste back in the tube. The same thing with those words. Once you speak those words, you can't take them back. Saying, I'm sorry, or I was just kidding, does not take this thing away from what you just said. So always remember to think before you speak. Everyone, say this after me. I'm going to think before I speak. So kids, remember, use your superhero power words for good. Always be a dream maker and not a dream breaker. And with that, have a superhero day.